Staking Decyphered. Staking isn't just for Buffy the Vampire Slayer. It also lets you earn passive income on your crypto by locking up your coins or pledging your address. You can only stake certain assets that run on proof-of-stake networks. The most famous staking asset is ETH, the primary asset of the Ethereum network, which switched from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake in 2023. Some other popular staking assets include ADA on Cardano, XTZ on Tezos, and Sol on Solana. You have the option to run a full node yourself, but it can be technically challenging, so most people choose to delegate their stake to a validator, who does most of the work for you. You can stake directly through your self-custody wallet, including a hardware wallet like Ledger, or you can connect your browser extension wallet to a staking dApp like Lido. There's also the option to earn yield on a centralized exchange like Binance, but we recommend against storing large amounts of crypto on a custodial platform. You'll earn a percentage on your stake. APY, or annual percentage yield, is the yearly rate of return. So, if you stake 100 ATOM at 20% APY, you'll have 120 ATOM this time next year. If you're holding a stakeable asset, why not put it to work and earn passive income?